This is Frimley Park Hospital. Now it's the first lifts, which are Oronas. These appear to be a set of 2 lifts.
Cancelled floor. Cancelled floor. Cancelled floor.
Is that what Oronas usually do when the floors are up top?
Lift going up.
It appears to have ratio cabling. Like cancelled floor, that was weird. Now it's the main part of the building, which hasn't been rebuilt. Oh, well, they've rebuilt the front part, but they haven't rebuilt the back part. And this sign looks old. These lifts have been modernised.
Going up. Please mind the door.
If they're adding this new disabled accessible control panel, couldn't they have at least kept the original control panel?
Going up.
These buttons, by the way, are Lester Controls buttons, which are mostly found in hospitals. And if they're adding a new control panel, why couldn't they have just kept the original one as well?
Floor 1.
It makes me feel disappointed.
Doors opening.
In fact, the company that modernised this hasn't put their name on it. In fact, it looks like either it was modernised by the hospital, and they got the parts in themselves, which actually were rather unlikely, or the company was ashamed that they'd done such a poor job on it that they said not to put the nameplate. The lifts here. The lifts here are the same as the last lift. The only difference is that they've been modernised at Dewhurst. They look like they might want to be Otis's. I hate generic lifts. I mean, if they're adding this and this, why couldn't they have kept that?
Doors opening.